What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back for another video. Let's get right into this. They finally posted on Warstar B.LOU and DDG Brinks truck. What the heck? Alright, let's get right into it. Let's see what they talk about with this music video. You know, alright, something light, 600K. Something light. Blade. Like always, Ryan Lewis. XX presents.
Trying to be. Why can I look like a leak? Fuck on that bitch with a bitch. Look at the money.
Yeah, yo, the way it came in, you heard me? Beat is tough.
I'm full, I'm never on E. I'm selling the drugs and codeine. I'm in this bitch with a D. All of my diamonds on clean. Yeah, you know my bitch is a lead. First class to Dominican, sipping on mama wine with the cinnamon. Bitch, I be big ballin', no dribble. She only get too nice, we ain't intimate. I only fuck twice,
okay.
That's discipline. She said I'm a bad guy, but I'm innocent. Bitch, I'm a millionaire out of Michigan. Shh, cut the beat off, niggas listening. Niggas don't fuck with me. Get your girl, she in love with me. Whisper to her like you fucking me, but ain't no way that you cuffing me. I could not fall in love with you. Versus money, I don't fuck with you. Give a fuck what you going through. MOE, bitch, my bills is due. Brinks trucks out the front door. 6 figures each month, bro. Told y'all I was gon' blow. I made a fry racks each video. I need them quick racks, need them speedy. On top of more mans, cause I'm greedy. And she keep on texting me because she needy. I told her I ain't see the text like I'm Stevie. Why can I look like a lead?
Yo, it's crazy how DDG started off with skit, now he's on making music video on Warstar, and now on the radio. Golly. Let me tell you something. There's a lot of loot out here. You just gotta go and get them, you feel me? Like, it's not that hard. You just gotta, you know, be persistent and work for it every day. If you set your mind to it, yo, you're gonna reach your goal anytime, you feel me? Like,
I'm in this bitch with a D. All of my diamonds on clean. Yeah, you know my bitch is a lead. All of my killers on feet. Ain't really been getting no sleep. I had to keep in my links.
Hey, no cap, this is my first time listening to B.LOU, you know, rap.
All of this money like Brinks. Wow. R.I.P. the X, she look good in the moonlight. Light a wood, roll a blunt just to get my mood right. I ain't never been a whole type. Purple drink on a long flight. I spent 100,000 for it, yeah, you know my drip nice. We run together like some two socks. Yo, money low, it's on detox. Make the wrong move and you delete.
Hey, yo, B.LOU flow is nasty, yo. But hey, B.LOU, breathe, you know, you can breathe anytime, you hear me? It's like that.
My drip status so unique. Laying up that baby, finesse and drug dealing. Pull up to the trap, I ain't been in a minute. Fuck all the demons, cause they out to get me. I got the purple drink.
Hold on. Did you just whack him with the gun? Pause. Hold on.
My drip status so unique. Laying up that baby, finesse and drug dealing. Pull up to the trap, I ain't been in a minute. Fuck all the demons, cause they out to get me. I got the purple drink for my kidney. Say you was there, but you really ain't. How many niggas gon' ride like a 10-speed? I moving weight like niggas at the gym be. Hop in the farm. Walking, I look like a lead. Fuck on that bitch with a bitch. Look at the money I blow. I'm full, I'm never on E. I'm selling the drugs and codeine. I'm in this bitch with a D. All of my diamonds on clean. Yeah, you know my bitch is a lead.
Ooh, that beat, yo, Trey on the beat, yeah. Yo, that beat goes hard, feel me? Yo, Trey, give me a song so I could dance to you, hear me? Gotcha. Feel me? Tell your friends, everybody to subscribe. Feel me? Almost to 1K. Love y'all. Song is dope. It's chill. You know, this you go. You know, roll your window down and blast it in the car. You feel me? It's chill. But see you guys on the next video. All right? Okay.
Someone that's afraid to let go. You decide if you're ever gonna.